The OrCam reed is equipped with Bluetooth to enable you to connect to headphones or an external speaker. Press the Bluetooth pairing button on the speaker or headphones. Note: you might receive some audio feedback. Use the voice command, "Connect to a Bluetooth audio device." The device will beep while scanning for Bluetooth devices. Once you hear the name of your Bluetooth audio device, press the round button to connect it. You can also connect to a Bluetooth device using the settings menu.
Reading main menu.
Enter the settings menu using the volume buttons, scroll to the connectivity settings menu, and then to
Language
Bluetooth settings.
setting menu. Volume menu. Connectivity setting menu. Bluetooth setting menu.
Select the option to connect to a Bluetooth audio device.
To connect to a Bluetooth audio device, press the trigger button.
OrCam Read 3 will list all available Bluetooth audio devices. You can browse through the available devices using the plus and minus buttons.
To connect to JBL, press the trigger button.
Press the trigger button to select the device to which you want to connect. OrCam Read 3 will connect to the selected speaker or headphones. On some speakers, you might hear "connected" from the Bluetooth speaker.